Welcome to Casa Truffle. Today we will be showing you the unboxing of fresh truffles in order to explain to you what exactly to expect on the day when your truffles will arrive home. Because we know it's a long trip, our aim is to keep your truffles in a fresh, cool environment for at least 72 hours. They are going to be traveling from an office to an airport, hop into an airplane, through customs, onto a FedEx truck, and finally into your hands. Mamma mia, that's a long way. With our unique packing system, we are able to reproduce the cool and natural truffles environment all the way through the intercontinental journey. A lateral view of your package is going to look exactly like this. 3 chambers created to isolate your truffles in the middle with an ice pack in the upper and the lower side. As you open the box, are you excited? I am too. You are going to enter into the first chamber, where you will find the upper ice pack, which is wrapped with paper towel in order to absorb moisture from it. Then you are going to find a specially made paper absorbent, used to avoid any extra humidity dripping down from the ice pack to the truffles. Under it, we have placed a piece of cardboard with some holes, which allows the internal cooler temperature to circulate around the truffles. Under the cardboard, you will find the central chamber, with a bag containing what we've all been waiting for, the star of the show, your truffles. The bag is not only designed to hold your truffles, but it will have some important and useful information written on the outside, like your name, the date of harvest, the shipping date and expectation date, the weight of the truffles in ounces, and of course the conversion of the weight in grams. By the way, we are treating you with some chocolate truffles, not made with truffles, it's just the name. I could share more, but they are my favorite chocolate, so I'm keeping most of it with me. Expect also this paper with wonderful information about truffles, like how to clean them, how to store them, and the wonderful truffle facts, like the life cycle of a truffle, or what a truffle is exactly, how and where they are found, and how truffles can be used in your kitchen for your cooking. This paper will teach you many things about your truffles. It will be a little bit like going to truffle school. Are you ready for a delicious experience? Are you ready to learn? When you take your truffles out of the bag, you will find them wrapped with a paper towel and the special absorbent in direct contact with the truffles. It is to absorb the humidity released from the truffles, which allow them to live longer. These are your truffles, brought to you all the way from Italy. Look at how beautiful and wonderful they are. Because they have been wrapped in the paper towel and the special absorbent, their humidity has been, well, absorbed, and they have made the successful journey all the way to your home. And so, you can now gently place the truffles to the side, momentarily, and organize all the many things you have unpacked today. Who said unpacking was not a lot of work, eh? In the very last chamber, which you will find under the truffle bag, at the very bottom of the box we have sent to you, is the lower ice pack, which is also wrapped with paper towel. Feel free to discard this ice pack. Please notice that after a long and bumpy trip, your truffles will claim some stress recovery, so just rinse them under a gentle drip of cold water, dry them with a paper towel very gently, place the extra absorbed paper that we are sending you around them, and wrap the whole thing with some paper towel. Place them in a plastic container into the refrigerator for about 4 hours, and please do not open the container during that time. The luxury, the opulence, the experience Casa Truffle.